these clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to perform a 5-wheel tire rotation. In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to remount your vehicle's spare tire if it happens to be located under the carriage. If it's a tire that's located in the trunk of the vehicle, just pretty much install it back into the trunk. These trucks can be a little more complicated. I'm going to go over the procedure with you right now. This is your spare tire hoist right here. And pretty much what you're going to do is fold it up along its hoisting cable. Slide my tire a little closer, and we're going to duck it right down inside. Just like so. Once you have that done, you can slide it back underneath the vehicle, and the hoisting mechanism will take care of the rest. We're going to get our spare tire crank, slide it back inside the hoisting mechanism, and spin it up. The way they're designed is that they're all fully self-centering, and it shouldn't take any kind of adjustment once you have it cranked up. As you can see, our hoist has engaged. It's pulling the tire into center location. You're going to want to crank it up tight in order to avoid your spare tire vibrating around on the undercarriage of the vehicle, causing damage to the rubber. And that's the proper way to remount your spare tire after your 5-wheel tire rotation.